Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Welcome if you are new, and thanks for coming back if you're returning. I put out new lifestyle videos, and I do quite a bit of cleaning videos. I put out new videos every Thursday and Sunday, so if you want to see more content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button and come back and see what I have for you in a few days. Today we're going to be doing an ultimate clean with me, where I'm going to be going through pretty much the whole top floor of my house, minus a couple rooms, but definitely some of these rooms need attention here. Normally I have a very good evening cleaning routine, which I also have posted up, that I will link here in the description box below, but for some reason the night before, I can't remember exactly what happened, but I did not get to that evening cleaning routine, so my house was pretty much a mess. And my kitchen, I hate leaving it like this. I had it pretty messy here this morning, and that typically is not the case. I like to wake up and have my kitchen nice and clean so I don't start my day off with a mess, but this particular day I did start my day off with a mess from last night. So I had to go through and clean off all my counters, throw away some garbage. We had some takeout the night before, so went through and cleaned all that off, and right now I'm just unloading the dishwasher. I did at least run my dishwasher last night, so I have some room to put the new dirty dishes in. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill the dishwasher back up before I can finish putting all the dishes away and kind of wipe off all the counters and get everything nice and ready to go for the day.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Does anyone else's dishwasher not dry their dishes properly? It drives me insane. And we have a pretty new dishwasher. I've only had it for about a year, so I don't understand why the drying function doesn't seem to work. But it works with some items and not with others. But usually all of my plastic containers, I have to dry before I put them away, and it drives me nuts.
Drunk at night, in LA picking fights. I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. No, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers.
I had some Tupperware out that I typically don't use. It's like, they're kind of like casserole dishes, but you can also store stuff in them as well. I had some of that stuff sitting out on the counter from my son's birthday party, so it was finally time to actually get down and like put that stuff away, because it was just sitting on my counter, and it's such an awkward spot to get in the back of that cabinet, and it's not, I mean, it's organized, but it's just not, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So I finally decided to just put that stuff away so I could get it off my counter.
And just like this, will we find home?
So now we're heading over into the dining area, and I just had a few things that I had left out from my latest shopping trip out on the table that I had to put away. And I've got some decorations for my son's birthday party up there that I still have to take down. And just cleaning off the table, I finally got everything taken off of that so I could put out my normal kind of decorations that I have sitting on the table, get that back out, and get the last of the decorations down, and so things can kind of go back to normal here a little bit.
On the weekend.
So now I'm just going ahead and clearing off everything off of the floor here, because I'm going to go ahead and start to vacuum and then eventually wash the floors with my Swiffer. So I'm going to go ahead right now and start to vacuum, and I'm going to vacuum all the way into the kitchen as well, which you won't probably see very much of. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of a general idea. I'm vacuuming, and then I'm going to use my Swiffer wet cloth and kind of go over it with that.
I don't get what this is about. Spinning on my shoulders, I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. In my mind.
So this room was actually way messier, and I realized about halfway through cleaning that I wasn't actually recording myself cleaning. So I was a little bit frustrated with that. So there was actually toys all over this living room, and I cleaned them all up before I realized that I wasn't actually recording. So now you guys are just going to see me vacuuming in here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off all the blankets off the couch in a little while here, and I'm going to vacuum the couch as well. But this room was messier, I promise you.
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying, yeah. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road,
So now we are heading into the bathroom, and once again, I don't know what the heck has been going on in my house. It's usually not this messy in the morning. Like, this was first thing in the morning that I'm filming this, and I have no idea what the heck happened last night that my house is such a disaster, because normally when I wake up it's fairly clean. But like I said, I did not do my cleaning routine from the evening last night. So yeah, I get to wake up to a mess. Plus it was time to actually clean the bathroom anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and actually clean the bathroom. And yeah, then we're going to move on into the bedroom in a little while.
I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Just boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. A 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad.
Does anybody else use these Lysol wipes to clean their bathroom? I absolutely love them to clean the bathroom. I know they're very, very harsh, and I would love to find maybe some more natural alternatives, because I know there's quite a lot of chemicals in these, but just the fact that they kill the 99% of germs in the bathroom. I wipe my whole toilet down with it. I wipe the floor around it down, and it just like gives me peace of mind knowing that all those germs are gone, because toilets are gross.
Frames, boy, it's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Finally, we are going to be ending the cleaning in the bedroom, in our master bedroom, and I'm just going to go ahead and make our bed. My bed actually wasn't made for a few days. My boyfriend works shift work, so sometimes, as much as I would love to make my bed every morning, it doesn't end up happening, because lots of times he's in here and he has to sleep throughout the day, or I get up in the morning and he's still sleeping in, that sort of thing. So, but he was actually gone today, so I was able to go ahead and make my bed, which is really nice, because I love getting into a made bed in the evening. It just feels like so awesome. It just feels so good to get into a made bed at the end of the day. So I like the times when I'm able to actually make the bed. I had a comment in my last cleaning video where I showed my bedroom, and somebody had asked me what this blanket was that I'm putting on my bed here, and that is just only on my side, and that is a weighted blanket. So I do struggle with some anxiety a little bit here and there, and it's usually, I also have insomnia too, so the two kind of play around together at night when I'm trying to sleep. And I do find that a weighted blanket does help. It doesn't make it perfect, of course, but it does definitely help me. So I typically just sleep underneath this weighted blanket, and then of course to make the bed I put the cover on top of everything, but I usually don't sleep with the actual big cover that covers our bedspread. Just my boyfriend does, because I have this and I really, really like it. It's really comfortable. So now I'm just going around the room and picking up any clothes that are laying on the ground. I'm gonna have to be doing some laundry later on today. And then I just have to clean off all of our nightstands. Both of our nightstands have stuff all over them. And also my dresser, which you guys will see in a minute, is just full of stuff. But there just always seems to be stuff lying around on the floor. I work in here sometimes in the evening. So on the floor there you can see all my cords and everything, and my laptop and pajamas, and our bedroom just gets to be such a mess, and I don't really understand how this happens, but we just make it a mess every day, it seems. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum in here really quickly, just get off any dust or cat hair or anything that's just laying around on the ground. Go ahead and vacuum that up really fast.
Hello, hello, do you remember me? I'm the one who broke your heart.
Alright you guys, so we are nearing the end of this ultimate clean with me. I hope that it gave you some inspiration, and I hope that you were able to go and get some of your cleaning done as well while watching this. Please hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Like I said earlier, I upload every Thursday and Sunday. I do a lot of cleaning videos as well as some other lifestyle videos, what I eat in a day, cook with me's, shopping hauls, that sort of thing. So we have a lot of fun over on this channel, and I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join our family. We are growing, and I'm very excited. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!